In this video, we'll guide you through creating an assembly item in CustomBooks. Assembly items are composed of other products in your inventory and are sold as a finished product. Before starting, ensure your account settings are correctly configured. Navigate to the admin panel, select Inventory Settings, and under the General heading, check the Assembly box. Keep in mind, once you create your first assembly, this feature cannot be turned off. Next, go to Inventory and select Items. Click Create and choose New. Enter a description for your assembly item and select Product as the item type. Once you've chosen a product, a checkbox for assembly will appear. Check it to unlock the Assembly tab at the bottom of the screen. This tab is where you'll specify the items and quantities that make up your assembly. If your item will include residuals or labor, check the corresponding boxes. If you want to disassemble your item, check the option here. To complete the assembly setup, click Add and add the products that make up the assembly. If you want the item to be auto-assembled, check Allow Auto-Assembly box. Once all the details are entered, save the item to add it to your CustomBooks inventory. Ready to get started? Follow these steps to create your first assembly item today.
Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please check out our other videos. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up on all the latest news on CustomBooks.